Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change individual funnel URL slug in WordPress and we are using FunnelKit plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our sale page. Now you see URL. Now go to plugin section and we are using funnel builder for WordPress by FunnelKit. So you will install this plugin and activate it. So we created sale funnel page by using this plugin. On left side you see FunnelKit and then you see funnel. So click on it. So this is our funnel. So click on it. So we are going to change URL. Now you see we have 3 pages or 3 steps. Checkout, thank you, and then you see multiple options. Now click on this and then you see edit. So click on it. Now you see edit detail, name, page URL slug, and then you see page URL. So you can add URL for checkout, thank you page and main page according to your requirement and then click on update. Now go to front end. Now in URL you see back to edit detail. So you can add URL name according to your requirement and then click on update. Again you see checkout. Now click on it. Again click on edit. Now you see URL slug. So you can update it according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.